Hey there, Aquarius. Welcome to my channel, Dream Tarot, and this is a reading for your sign for the month of October. And I have already shuffled cards, and I will do the reading in a Celtic cross spread, uh, and I will sum up all the aspect of your life regarding love life, messages, and career, and daily whatever what you are going through. So I will try to sum up all in one reading. So I will cut them in three piles and then spread the cards. So in the current position you have the Justice. What is crowning it? The Knight of Swords. What is the base of the reading is the Queen of Cup, Queen of Wands, sorry. And what is the crowning the reading? The King of Cup. In your recent past you have the Ace of Swords, and near future you have the King of Swords. And in your internal forces you have the Death card. Your external forces you have the Six of Wands. Your hopes and fears and wishes you have the Seven of Swords, and your outcome is the Hermit. And underneath the deck you have Eight of Swords, Three of Cups, Five of Swords, High Priestess, Four of Pentacles. So you are holding your emotions from someone. You are keeping your emotions secret from someone, and maybe you are dealing with Pisces this time, or you are very much intuitive, very much focusing on your intuitions, or holding your emotions back, yourself back, separate you are holding your emotion from the person who is Pisces maybe, or some kind of tug of war going on in your mind, or maybe some conflict you are going through uh, because of this. Pupils are involved in it, maybe three pupils are involved, and all are in your mind. Your instincts are telling you to end the conflict maybe, or have some good happy time with your family maybe, but you are stuck in your thoughts. Some negative thinking is creating some problem, and you are creating some conflict in this relationship. Maybe people are gossiping around you about this, but you are having fear that what people will say about you if you take any step regarding this relationship. So all are in your thoughts. You are stuck in your thoughts. You are not able to do anything because of these negative thoughts, or stuck. You are stuck in these thoughts, which is not able to do what you want, and uh, uh, making keeping you in the conflict. So let's see what other cards are saying to you about you. Is that you want some kind of justice. Currently you are dealing with some justice. You want justice, and you are rushing over it. It's crossing it, or you want to make things balance in your life. But what is crossing it? These maybe you are rushing over something. Maybe you want something. You want this justice, but you want it now, and it is not coming toward you right now. That's why you are rushing over it. So it is becoming the challenge for you, or someone is rushing toward something. Someone wants quick action, but you want justice in your life. So it is the challenge for you. Maybe you want something happen in hurry. What is the base of the reading is the Queen of Wands. Maybe it's your partner, Queen of Wands, some fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius you are dealing with right now. Maybe for this person you want justice from your family, or maybe from someone. You want to do justice with your partner, and you want it hurry, or maybe your partner want it hurry. but you are not able to do this. That's why it's a challenge for you. And what is the crowning the reading is the King of Cup. So you in your mind, you fully aware that who you love or who you want in your life. What are your emotions about this person? What are emotion about the other person? So you want this Queen of Cup in your life. You are fully aware your emotion about this Queen of Cup. So in the recent past, you have some kind of clarity, maybe in September, or maybe some new clarity about this relationship you got in your mind, or maybe some new conversation is started in the end of September or in the start of the October about this justice. Some truth you are telling, some kind of truth you are telling to other people's or someone around you from those you want justice. So this truth is you want something new in your love life. And what is in your inner forces? You have that card. You are going to some kind of transformation after getting this clarity in your mind, this truth in your mind, or find out the truth. After finding out the truth, you are going through some kind of transformation, and your partner, whoever you are dealing with this time, maybe your partner is this Queen of Wands, so they are recognize something about you. They are also recognize something about you, and they are very much victorious. They are victorious in this relationship. You want justice, maybe your partner wants justice from you, and you are giving them that justice. That why they are coming as a victorious person here. So what is your hopes and fear is that you are hoping, you are fearing that as you are coming together with your partner, you are getting justice, and your partner is getting justice, but you're fearing that um, someone can do some lies, sneaky behavior, or something negative about your relationship. Someone can do, or maybe people around you can do this, or maybe you are uh, fearing that uh, will your partner be truthful to you or not, because you got some kind of clarity and truth about your partner. So you are fearing that to get again this uh, to get again mm, to go, you are fearing to go again in this cheating kind of situation. So or maybe it is your in your mind, you are doing cheating with someone because of this Queen of Wands. So you are wishing to do this in your current sorry, in your near future. You have King of Swords. So you are in your energy, Aquarius. You are in a King of Swords energy. He will say truth and want truth from others, and he is very intelligent. You are taking your decisions wisely and logically. You are talking to others about your feeling about this justice about your partner, and you are telling clearly to other what you want. That's why your partner is getting justice, you are getting justice, and your partner is coming out as a victorious person here. And you are wisely taking your decision in the month of October. You know what you want. You are taking the wise decision regarding your partner, the Queens of Wands. You and your partner both are in their energies. So Aquarius, in month of October, you will get justice just because of your truthfulness and You and your partner get the justice from other, from whom you want justice, you will get it, and you are taking your decision wisely. And I don't see any third party here. Or if there is a third party, you are just fearing that you don't want to go back to this third party situation anymore. You are wish to end this third party. Just clarify this seven of swords card for the sign of Aquarius. Please clarify the seven of swords for the sign of Aquarius. Lovers, two choices. Please clarify the seven of swords. Eight of swords, जैसे कि आप you are seeing that here is eight of swords. Eight of swords come again. So one more card for seven of swords. Three of wands. And underneath the deck you have the chariot. You want to resurrect again with your past person. You want to offer some stability, some stable relationship with that person. You want to when you want a second chance to move forward with your person. But there is some choices between you have some choices. There someone else also involved in the relationship, but you don't want this. You are stuck in this relationship, and you are waiting to end this third party situation. You are hoping to end this third party situation. So you have two choices. Now you are waiting, your ship's coming in, now you are getting justice. So you don't want to stuck in this third relationship, and you want to end this conflict and third party. So Aquarius, that was your reading for the month of October. If it resonates you, please let me confirm in comment below. Like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.